Fáilte héig soil na stocky. Welcome to Irish Socksciety. My name is Joanna and I'm a co-founder of Irish Socksciety, a Galway-based brand specialising in high quality and sustainable socks that are inspired by all things Irish. So that includes the culture, the humour, the landscape and most of all the language. Irish language is at the core of everything we do. It's at our products, it's on our packaging, it's on our website, it surrounds us in our office space.
It's Misha Ashling. I've worked for Irish Socksciety now for a couple of weeks. And from the very beginning, the job application itself was in both Irish and English. So I knew straight away that it was going to be extremely important in everyday life working here, and I knew I definitely wanted to get involved. The Irish language is everywhere, it's all over the socks, the rooms, doors, everything. So it's really great to get back involved.
We know for a fact that people associate our brand with the Irish language and that it genuinely encourages them to use it. So they email us in Irish, they ring us in Irish, they joke in Irish with us, so it's fantastic because we can see that we actually make a difference promoting the language and then we help it grow within the society and in the future.